Hello everyone, I'm back to my channel Emotions Unplugged with the same tagline, it's time to speak with Dr. Subhashri. Yeah, it's been again a bit of gap that I'm speaking in front of you. There was a very good dialogue in the movie Three Idiots. 26 बोन टूटने के बाद पता चला कि जिंदगी एक्चुअली क्या होती है। वो जो डायलॉग था थ्री इडियट्स का, परहैप्स दैट डायलॉग ऑल्सो टच्ड मी टुडे आफ्टर गेटिंग अ massive heart stroke and getting the statement from my cardiosurgeon that I have 2 blockages, and after undergoing the stenting procedure, I have come to a point of realization that what is life actually. You never know what is going to happen in your life. Life is unpredictable. So today I thought of sharing something very deep with you, and while reading today's editorial in the Indian Express, I was touched by that title, that non-reaction is the best action. Non-reaction is the best action. 10% of our life moves on with what happens in life. But 90% of the rest, 90% of our life moves on how we react. That's really true. When I read this statement, I also realized, yeah, it's true. Everything happening in our life is just a point of reaction. How we respond, how our behavior responds, what is our course of action, how we react to a particular situation. So these are a part of behavioral psychology also. But today what I am going to share with you, and particularly why I thought of sharing, that realization can come at any point of life, any point, at the deathbed also. But to originally analyze the point of realization is actually the true knowledge. There are few people in this entire universe who are very casual in their life, who just go on ignoring each and everything that's happening in their life. But I think I belong to that foolish group who go on thinking very deeply to each and everything happening in my life, around my life. I do believe that I can't be a non-responsive or non-reactive individual. I am a reactive individual, a responsive individual. But when we go on reading the research, writings of great philosophers, writers, they are very well said that on the other side of our life, there are people who are waiting to see our reaction, as if they are living their life enjoying our point of reaction. Now you see, our life, we are misjudging our life, we are misinterpreting our life, and we are giving a platform for others to enjoy and live happily their life just because of our reaction. How foolish then we are. But If we don't react, we irritate the person on the other side. See the vice versa methodology. If we are not reacting, the person at the other end might lose his peace of mind, but at the same time, we might retain calmness. So, at the beginning, when I said that I have come to a point of realization, the realization to protect my peace, my calmness. How to protect? Obviously, for a person like me who goes on deeply analyzing the things, it's very difficult on my part to close my eyes to each and every aspect or each and everything happening around me. And the most powerful response is always observation. बहुत करीब से नज़दीक से हमको ऑब्जर्व करना है. Then only we can reflect and choose either silence or inaction. Different type of situations come in front of us. It is we to judge how to face that situation, what sort of response or reaction we need to give. We at times, if we don't react, that does not indicate that we have not noticed or observed the things. We have noticed. अगर आप साइलेंट हो जाते हो, it doesn't mean that it is always a sign of ignorance. You are not ignoring, because silence is also one kind of response. Silence can also be one kind of strongest form of observation. आप बहुत करीब से एक चीज़ को ऑब्जर्व करने के बाद ही आपको रियलाइज़ हुआ कि उस सिचुएशन में आपको कुछ ना बोलना ही सही है. दैट इज साइलेंस. बिकॉज true power lies in restraining. If words can control us, then everything can control us. That's why perhaps I was so much moved by that poem of Pablo Neruda named Keeping Quiet, which I'm teaching my 12th graders. क्या खूब कहा है. He has highlighted the importance of introspection, and that comes again after silence. हम लोग जब बात करते हैं ना ऑब्जर्वेशन के बारे में, रियलाइजेशन के बारे में, नॉन रिएक्शन के बारे में, so how does it come? It comes by climbing the staircase of silence only. So just imagine, if we are becoming non-reactive, it is extreme indifference. It is extreme indifference. If someone is provoking us, we need not be provoked. We might be non-reactive. It is not ignoring. We might be indifferent. That means at that point of time, we should not show any sort of reaction or any sort of response to that particular situation or condition. Perhaps that is why it is said that non-reaction is the best action, means it is the best thing that you have chosen in your life. सही में ये भी बहुत सही है कि बोलना बहुत आसान है, करना उतना ही डिफ़िकल्ट है। बोलना बहुत ही आसान है। When I am trying to experiment all those on me, my course of action, I too find difficult also at times. But still, realization has touched my heart. अगर हमको ज़िंदा रहना है और बड़े अच्छे से रहना है, हंसी खुशी रहना है, तो बहुत सारे चीज़ों को देखकर आंख बंद कर लेना चाहिए। अगर आंख बंद भी नहीं कर सकते तो रिएक्शन ही नहीं देना चाहिए, क्योंकि that situation calls only for your observation. That situation does not ask you to show your response or any sort of reaction. So perhaps we might go on exploring this particular topic, that how non-reaction can be a best action of your life, how realization helps you to understand and find out the real meaning of life. I might come up with some other ideas for this particular topic in my next episode. But for that, we have to always keep in our mind that first of all, we have to be deeply in love with our own self. खुद को प्यार करना सीखना चाहिए, बहुत सारा प्यार. If we start falling deeply in love with ourselves, then only it would be the right thing to analyze and realize what exactly we are doing. So very soon, my viewers, I'm coming up with the next episode of this topic. Till then, don't forget to give your like, your subscription, your comment for my channel Emotions Unplugged. Stay safe, stay healthy, don't give any reaction to in every situation. Have a great day ahead. Bye bye. Take care.